Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you one of two Harland Underhill's books, Plank on Frame Models and Scale Masting and Rigging. The construction of models with scale framing and planking has long been regarded as something which only the super craftsman should undertake. But in the opinion of the author, this is utter fallacy. There being nothing in this class of model which is beyond of the ability of the most ordinary model maker, provided his main interest is in the actual work of construction and not merely in seeing the final product. The author needs no introduction to the ship lover or model maker, since his books on sailing ship history and construction are well known, as is the wide range of plans for which he has been responsible over the 40 years. The book is founded on the experience of some 50 years of spare time model building and takes the reader right through its subject, from the reading and interpretation of plans to mounting the finished model on its base. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below your request for the next issue of the Ship Modelers library.